I bought and tested these washing machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a parent of 3, I know the struggle of keeping up with laundry for a large family. I've searched high and low for machines that can handle the load, and today I'm sharing my top 5 picks. Product number 1, Costway Portable Washing Machine. Let me tell you about my experience with the Costway Portable Washing Machine. When I first received it, I was pleasantly surprised by its compact size. At just 16 by 27.5 by 32 inches, it fits perfectly into my small laundry nook. I was skeptical about its 26 pounds capacity, but it impressively accommodates 18 pounds in the wash tub and 8 pounds in the spin tub, allowing me to wash multiple loads simultaneously. Using the machine was a breeze. The timer knobs made it easy to set washing times based on the load type, up to 15 minutes for washing and 5 for spinning. I remember the first time I used it, I loaded it with my kids' clothes, and the powerful 280W motor handled everything without a hitch. I was amazed at how quiet it operated, even during the spin cycle. It was such a relief not to disturb the household with loud noises, especially during nap time. Pros? The compact design is fantastic for families in smaller spaces. The twin tub feature lets you wash and spin simultaneously, saving a lot of time. The transparent lid is a nice touch too, allowing me to check on the process without interrupting it. Product number 2, Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Next up is the Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Let me tell you, this little dynamo has been a lifesaver for my family. With a capacity of 20 pounds, it's compact yet powerful enough to handle a significant load of laundry. The blue and white finish is also pretty stylish for a portable machine. The first time I used it, I was impressed by how easy it was to operate. The twin tub design allows you to wash 12 pounds and spin 8 pounds at the same time, which is a game changer for busy parents like me. I loaded it with a week's worth of clothes and it handled the challenge beautifully. The 300W washing power paired with 110W spinner ensures that everything comes out clean and nearly dry. The pros include its ease of use and lightweight design, making it easy to relocate. Plus, the filter net is a thoughtful addition, preventing lint from clogging the machine. However, the cons include the need for manual draining, which can be a hassle, and you might need to spin smaller loads twice for best drying results. Product number 3, Wellsteep's Portable Washing Machine. Let's talk about the Wellsteep's Portable Washing Machine. This mini washer packs a punch despite its small size. I was drawn to its foldable design, making it a breeze to store. It's ideal for my family, especially when we go camping. When I unfolded it, I was amazed at how it can handle 16 liters, which is quite a bit for such a compact machine. Using this machine was straightforward. With 3 timer settings of 3, 5, and 10 minutes, I could easily wash my kids' smaller garments without hassle. The first time I washed their clothes, I was pleasantly surprised by the cleaning power. It simulates hand scrubbing, ensuring that even the toughest stains come out. Plus, the built-in blue light feature is a unique touch that helps with hygiene. Pros include its lightweight design, making it easy to transport. It's perfect for tight living spaces, and the upgraded dehydration basket is brilliant for removing excess water. On the downside, it's not suitable for larger items, and while it offers great cleaning, it may not be the fastest option available. Product number 4, Giantex Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Next, I want to share my experience with the Giantex Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. This machine has a 21-pound capacity, which is perfect for my family of 5. The first time I set it up, I was impressed by how it offers both washing and spinning in one unit. This 2-in-1 feature is a huge time saver. The powerful motor quickly washes clothes, and the built-in drain pump is a fantastic upgrade. It makes draining water so much easier compared to gravity drain models. I appreciated the flexibility of the timer settings, allowing me to adjust wash and spin times according to my needs. I remember washing my kids' sports uniforms. It handled them beautifully without any fuss. Pros of this machine include the large capacity, the semi-automatic function, and the compact size that fits well in smaller spaces. However, the cons are that it can be a bit noisy during the spin cycle, and you'll need to monitor the draining process. So why should you buy the Giant-Tex portable twin tub washing machine? It's perfect for families needing versatility and power in a compact form. It's reliable and efficient, making laundry day less of a chore. Product number 5, HTW XZX Portable Washing Machine. Finally, let's discuss the HTW XZX Portable Washing Machine. This little gem has a 16-liter capacity and a foldable design, which I found incredibly innovative. When I first received it, I was shocked by how lightweight it was, only 3.3 pounds. It's perfect for taking along on family trips or storing in small spaces. Using this washing machine is a breeze. With 3 washing modes, I could easily select my preferred washing time, and I loved how it handles delicate items. My kids' baby clothes came out looking spotless, thanks to the 360-degree imitation hand washing feature. The eco-friendly materials used are also a big plus for me, ensuring safety and hygiene. Pros include its portability, ease of use, and efficient cleaning. However, it's important to note that it's not suitable for larger clothing items like jeans, and while the performance is commendable, it may require multiple washes for larger loads.